Artificial intelligence, or AI, has become increasingly prevalent in our daily lives, but it's important to understand that it is not without its flaws. When using AI tools, it's crucial to be able to identify bias and errors. Bias is prejudice in favor or against something, while errors are inaccuracies or mistakes in the data. Bias and errors in AI can show up in various ways. Identifying bias in generative AI chatbot answers requires careful analysis of the responses and an understanding of the potential sources of bias that can affect machine learning models. Here are some ways you can identify bias and errors. Number 1. Start by analyzing the language and tone of the chatbot's responses. Look for any patterns of language that seem to favor or exclude certain groups of people. Number 2. Look for any errors or inaccuracies in the chatbot's responses. If the chatbot consistently provides incorrect or misleading information about certain topics or groups of people, this may indicate bias or inaccurate data. Number 3. Test the chatbot's responses using a variety of different prompts and questions. If the chatbot consistently provides incorrect or discriminatory responses to certain types of questions or topics, this may indicate bias or errors in data. Number 4. Errors in AI can also be identified by analyzing the output or results of the model. For example, if a chatbot repeatedly gives incorrect responses or answers that don't make sense, then there may be an error in the model's programming. Number 5. Consider the context in which the chatbot was developed and is currently being used. Some chatbots may be designed to promote a particular agenda, perspective, or field, and this can lead to bias in the responses. Ultimately, identifying bias in generative AI chatbot answers requires a critical and analytical eye. As always, it is important to check multiple sources, verify information with other resources, and be mindful of the limitations of AI. By being aware of these strategies, students can ensure that the AI they use for research and other purposes is reliable and accurate. And taking a critical approach to AI ensures that we are using AI in an ethical and responsible way.